wonderful worth. For He is creator and maker of heaven and earth. And those who know His name can never be the same. With glory and honor and praises we proudly proclaim that we can soar like an eagle, fly like a dove, run like the wind, sing like a dove. We will never grow weary, for God will prevail, and those who believe cannot fail. He has made mountains and hillsides and valleys below. He has made mountains and hillsides and valleys below. Oceans and deserts and powerful rivers that flow.